Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn lesson 4 of your block 3. Yeah, this is the last lesson of your block, adding 4-digit number. So lesson 4 is estimating the sum. Aim of this lesson is estimate the sum of two 4-digit numbers by rounding off to the highest place and compare it with the actual sum. Okay. By the end of this session, you will be learning how to round off and estimate the sum of two 4-digit numbers. Okay. So here, children, suppose our school library has about 1000 1000 textbooks and about 2000 story books. How many books are there in our library? Okay, so it is saying about 1000 means it is estimation, as we have learned in block 2, right? Estimating and round off numbers always ends with 0, so this is ending with 0. About means this may be, these textbooks may be less than this one or more than this one, so it is just an estimated value, approximate value. And how many storybooks? 2000 storybooks. This is also approximate. Why? Because about is given, so it may be less than 2000, it may be more than 2000, isn't it, girls? Now how many books are there in our library? Just we will add up the digits at thousands place, because all the remaining digits are zeros, right? 2 plus 1 is 3, so directly we will say that 3000 books in our library. So see here, it has become very easy to find out the sum of the find out the estimated sum of round figures, right? Isn't it? So in this lesson, we will learn how to estimate the sum. So the sum is estimated by rounding off the numbers. Okay, so is this an exact number? For this, your answer is what? No, it is rounded off to nearest thousands place, right? Nearest 1000. It is not the exact number. Okay, now let us find out, estimate the sum of 2548 plus 6354. In this question we will learn how to estimate the sum. Okay, for this one, better you do the actual sum, how you have to do, and then estimate the sum and compare between them. Okay, what is the difference you will find out, you can conclude yourself. Okay, see here, actual sum 2548, 6352. As usually we do with column method, right? For that we will write the place names of columns, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. You know how to align them. Okay, so 8 is under ones, 4 is under tens, 5 is under hundreds, 2 is under thousands. Like for this add-on, 2 is under ones, 5 is under tens, 3 is under hundreds, 6 is under thousands. Okay, now 8 plus 2 is 10, 0 here, 1 is carryover, regroup. Okay, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, so 0 here, and the 10 tens will become 100. Okay, so carryover. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, so no need to regroup, right? Because it is less than 10. Okay, now 2 plus 6 is 8. So actual sum of this 2548 and 6352 is 8900. Let's see the estimated sum of these numbers. See here, as we have learned in our previous block 2, to round off the numbers, we will see to the digits, right? Here we always round off to the highest place. So, and this is, here we are learning the round off of highest place is thousands here, right? To round off this one, what we have to see, we will see the next digit. This digit we have to check with 5, whether it is less than 5, greater than 5, or equal to 5. If it is less than, greater than 5 or equal to 5, then 1 has to be added to the round off digit. Okay, that's why round off number for this 2548 is 3000. So round off to the nearest thousand for 2548 is 3000. Now we will round off the next number. So what is the digit at highest place? At thousands place, your highest place is 1000. Digit at 1000 place is 6. For that we have to see for next digit follows it, that is hundreds place. 3. This 3 is less than 5, right girls? Right children? So when this digit is less than 5, what we have to do? It no need to add that one. It will remain as it is. Okay, your round off digit will remain as it is. So it will be 6, remaining all will become 0. Okay, okay children, this is how we are rounding off. So here we have rounded off the addends, right? Now we have to find the sum of these two addends. Okay, so it is easy because all these are zeros. Okay, only the change is in thousands place. 3 plus 6 is 9. So our answer is 9,000, isn't it children? Now see what is the difference, compare them. Okay, what is your actual sum? Yeah, your actual sum is 8,900, but your estimated sum is 9,000. Means this 8,900 is nearest to which thousand? 9,000, isn't it? So there is a difference of 100. Okay, 100 in between these two numbers. Your actual sum is 8,900 and your estimated sum is 9,000. And here also you can see children, to round off this one, to estimate this one, you have to look for 9, next digit. That 9 is greater than 5, so you have to add 1 at thousands place. It is 9,000, isn't it children? So this is how we are finding out the estimated sum. So let us analyze, okay, what we have learned. Analyze, okay. So what do you mean by estimation first? As we have done, estimation is nothing but making a rough sketch, rough guess, okay, maybe near to that one. Okay, estimation is making a rough guess that is close to the actual answer. Now you have seen in your previous question that 8,900 is close to 9,000, right? So that is estimation. 9,000 is close to 8,900. We do not need an exact number, but one that is near enough to exact number. So that is why, because that is estimation, right? Not exact number. We need one nearest exact nearest number, okay, which is near enough to the number. Okay, we can estimate the total in situations such as, okay, in our real life where we are using the estimation, we are using the estimation as the budget for monthly expenses. Okay, your parents may know. So your parent, suppose your father, parent want to organize a party, so there they will do the estimation, how many guests are going to come. They will estimate. They can't say the exact number, they just guess. Maybe some 500 people may come, 500 guests may come. That is estimation, right? And monthly expenses for this month, how much we are going to spend. So all those are estimations. Are finding out how many students from a city will be participating in an event. Suppose now we are writing the big exam, right? So we will estimate the children. How many of you will participate in brick maths competition? That is estimation. Okay, children. So we can estimate the sum of two numbers by rounding off each number. So there are two numbers, right? Which has to be added. Those two numbers I have given. I have told you those two numbers are also called as addends, right? So first we have to round off those numbers. Then we have to add for estimated sum. You can do this estimated sum after the actual sum also. Okay, children. Now here, now let us estimate the sum of, sum means plus, sum of 5,823 and 2,467. As you know, these two are 4-digit numbers. Their highest place is thousands, right? Your first number, what you have to round off? 5. To, to round off this 5, we look for next digit, 8. This 8 is greater than, yeah, to round off this highest place, we see for 8. This 8 is, this 8 is greater than 5. So if it is greater than 5, what we have to do? We are adding 1 to the round off digit. 5 plus 1, 6, remaining all 0. So round off value for this number is 6,000. Likewise, 2,467 to round off the highest place, okay? Because we are rounding off to nearest thousands. That is your highest place. We see for 4. This 4 is less than 5, right? If it is less than 5, no need to change the round off digit, okay? It will remain same, 2. After that, all will become 0. So now, it is easy to find out the sum of estimated sum. 6 plus 2 is 8. All are zeros. Okay. Now you see this 8,000 is nearest to 8,290, which is the actual sum. Okay, children. Now next is, let us see for hot questions. Okay. So in hot questions, we can also come. Yeah. A question is, a pilot a pilot flew 3,567 kilometer on her first trip and 2,300 2,385 kilometer on her second trip. About what distance did she cover? Okay, a pilot is there. She is flying the flight, right? So on her first trip, she covered a distance of 3,567. On the second trip, she covered the distance of 2,385. Yes, children. These are actual distances, what she covered. But it is asking about what distance did she cover. About. About means what, girls? About means estimation, right? About means estimation. We have to do estimation, estimating the sum. So here, this 3,567, since this 5 is equal to 5, then 1 has to be added to your round figure. So estimated number is 4,000. And for 2,385, your 3 is less than 5. So the estimated value is 2,000, isn't it? Now add this one. 4 plus 2 is 6,000. So add the rounded off numbers. 4,000 plus 2,000 is 6,000. So the pilot flew about means estimation, about 6,000 kilometers on both the trips. This is how we are finding the estimated sum. Hope you all understood, children. Now take your workbooks. Okay. In our application step, we are doing our workbook, right? So here, children, round off each number to highest place. Now the number is 7,025. So we have to round off this 7, right? For this we have to look for 0. This 0 is less than 5. So no need to add 1 to the round off digit. It will be 7,000. Next is 3,551. We have to round off at thousands place. Highest place is 1,000. So this, after that, we have to see the next digit. This 5 is equal to 5. If it is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then you have to add 1 to the highest place. So 3 plus 1 will become 4, remaining all zeros. So round off value for 3,551 is 4,000. Isn't it, children? Here, round up the numbers to their highest place and estimate their sum. Also find the actual sum. We need to find the actual sum also and round it up. Okay. Now your actual sum is 7,275 plus 4,834. Okay. First you see 7,275. The estimate value for this one is 7,000. As you know, as you know, to round up the highest place, we see for next digit, this 2 is less than 5. If it is less than 5, its rounded off value is 7,000. Now 4,834, to round off this highest place, we look for 8. This 8 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 to this highest place and this will become 5. So the round off value for this 4,834 is 5,000, isn't it? So well, the estimated sum is 7 plus 5 is 12. All these zeros will remain same. So the answer is 12,000. Actual sum, you can see 5 plus 4 is 9. 7 plus 3 is 10. 0 here, 1 is carried over here. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 here and 1 is carried over here. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So the answer is 12,109. Now see for the next question. It is 3,904 plus 9,379. So here 3,904, to round off the highest place, means thousands place, we see for the digit at tens place. This 9 is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to this one. And this will become 4,000. So estimated value for 3,904 is 4,000. Likewise 9,379. Isn't it, guys? This is the actual value. To round off this one, we look for the next digit. This 3 is less than 5. So no need to change the round off digit. So it is 9,000. So the estimated, the nearest 1,000 to 9,379 is 9,000. Now to add the estimated sum, because we know the ones, tens and hundreds place are 0, in thousands place you have to add 4 plus 9 is 13. So answer is 13,000. Here actual sum 4 plus 9 is 13, 3, 1 is carried over here and 1 plus 7 will become 8, right? 9 plus 3 is 12, 1 is carried over here, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 9 is 13. So the answer is 13,283. Hope you all understood, children. Now we go for next slide. So yeah, you have learned how to estimate the sum of 4-digit numbers, okay, by rounding off to the nearest thousand. So here is your block, your assessment. Assessment means homework. Your homework is lesson 4, estimating the sum, question 1, question 2 and question 3. Okay, bye children. Anyhow, if any doubts are there, tomorrow we will be revising. Okay, sorry, on Thursday we will be revising. Okay, bye then children. Please go through the full block.